Hello friends, here we are with one more challenge that is for Hero Campus Challenge Season 6. In this particular video, we will see what is the eligibility criteria, what is this challenge about, how to register for it, what is the last date and each and everything about this particular challenge and how you can get the opportunity for the pre-placement interviews through this opportunity. So my name is Anshul and you are watching our channel The Inside Coders. So let's begin. So this is a challenge that is by Hero, and you can see in this particular challenge what is the eligibility criteria. It is the engineering students, MBA students, and not only this, the undergraduate. So let's see it in detail in the upcoming video, in just after a minute. Okay. So these are some six stages that you have to go through to be a part of this event. So let's talk about it in detail. See, this is about the event. It is a sort of hackathon, I should say. So not only the hackathon, you can also get the opportunity for the pre-placement interviews in this company. And this is really a good thing. So what is the eligibility criteria? See, BTech students and MBA students, both are eligible. Okay. So BTech final and pre-final students. So I should say 2021 and 2022 pass outs are eligible for it. And not only IITs and IITs, all the engineering colleges are eligible for it. Okay. Same way for the MTech. And for MBA, both the years are eligible for it, right? So this is a sort of hackathon, as I mentioned. So we have to go for a team, and the team members should be three, and they must be from same institute and the college. The years I have already mentioned, and this is all about this event, so you can go through it. And a part of that, from one institute, you can have any number of teams. So there is no restriction on that particular thing. So if you have to participate in it, you have multiple rounds. The first round is for the online assessment. So you have a three members team and one is the team leader. Say A is the team leader. So the team leader has to go through the quiz. It will be a 25 minutes quiz, online quiz, and you'll get 20 MCQs. These are the topics that will be covered in this particular one, and if you get a good score, then you'll be shortlisted for the next round. So next round is the idea evaluator. So you have to make a sort of small video in which you'll be given different cases. You have to choose any of them, and after that you have to submit your solution, your idea for that, and it will be a presentation. So you need to make a small video on that describing the idea that you are thought, and this is the last date. Like this, you'll be gone to this particular round if you are clear the first one, right? And if you clear this round, then you will have a virtual presentation. In this, you have to explain that presentation to the senior manager of the Hero Motor Corporation, right? So in this, you will be given 10 minutes to present it, and then a simple question and answers round. So 5 minutes for that. Now the next shortlisted teams will be gone, will go to the next round, that is virtual mentorship period. So in this, basically they'll select the top 10 international finalists. Okay, and according to them, they'll also provide the mentorship, what can be done in each and everything. You also have, if any one of you have participated in Smart India Hackathon, then they also provide you the mentorship in that, just similar to that. And finally you will be given you have to present your final presentations, under the mentorship, what are the things that they require in each and everything. And after that, then you'll just go to the fifth round, that is virtual grand finale. So everything is online. So again, it will be a round in which the finalist teams have to present for 8 minutes, followed by a question and answers round of 7 minutes, again 15 minutes. And all the students, all the teams that have been shortlisted for the 10 teams, so you will be getting a pre-placement interview opportunity as well. So this is really great, right? And not only this, I was reading somewhere there will be also inter college round will also be there, and each college team will also get some opportunity for interview, I guess. If I'm not wrong, I was reading it somewhere here, so you can also go through them. If you have any of the question, you can ask it here. I was saying, I was just watching it, and I just saw that they are also replying actively here. So if you have any of the doubts, they have taken some doubts, so they are replying actively for them. So this was really great that I found here. So like this is all about this event. Now the point comes how to register for it. You simply have to click on this register. You have to like sign up for the first time, create your account, and finally like whatever are the details that they require, the details of your team, just put that and register it simply. So this is really a very good opportunity for you. You can also go through the Glassdoor or any of the AmbitionBox or any of the site for the reviews of this particular like company. This is really good. So this was all about in this particular video. I'll suggest you to come and like to register for it as soon as possible and share it with your friends so that they also get an opportunity to register for it. Well, this was all from my side.